Hi, I'm Ross.
And I'm Amanda. Today we're going to be walking you through some wall, window, and floor applications featuring today's hottest and newest media and over-laminates.
Keeping your business top of mind is more important than ever, and wide format graphics is one way to provide clear and creative messaging about your business.
MacTac has been supplying graphic media for over 60 years. We know what it takes to make a good-looking graphic durable and safe.
But one product doesn't do it all. You have to consider the application surface, how long the graphic is intended to stay, and the environment where it's located. Different surfaces have different adhesion requirements.
Ross and I will visit a local restaurant to install new graphics throughout the venue, including COVID-19 messaging. While we're doing installs, we're going to point out some key things you need to consider.
So please, sit back and relax while we show you firsthand how to get your message across with wall, window, and floor graphics.
MacTac's versatile window graphics add dimension, aesthetic appeal, privacy screening, and more. Here, we are using M.Dot Gloss Clear on both windows and walls. It has a unique, custom-engineered dot pattern, removable adhesive that makes the application fast and easy.
M.Dot is a 4.7mm PVC film available in gloss clear or matte white finishes. M.Dot Clear features excellent transparency and good printability on UV, latex, solvent, and eco-solvent inkjet printers. And remember, no tools needed when installing. Anybody can do it: volunteers, restaurant staff, business owners, and retail associates.
To promote temporary events, we are using Imagine Wall Noodle, which is known as the industry's first and best wall mural and poster solution. Wall Noodle is a 6mm semi-rigid matte white vinyl designed for repositionable and removable graphics. It's recommended you do not use an over-laminate.
We offer 3 products in our Oodle line, and it's important to choose the best wall graphic media that meets your needs. Roodle is an aggressive removable, perfect for tiled wall murals, indoor and outdoor signage, bumper stickers, and graphics. Wall Noodle is designed to be repositionable and removable for wall posters, decals, and stickers. Permanent Wall Noodle is ideal for barrier graphics and other signage projects where a thick, easy-to-apply product is required.
Trust Permahold high-performance mounting products for your sign and graphic assembly applications. Featuring permanent high-shear adhesives, Permahold is available in durable double-coated white foam tapes, high-tack transfer adhesives, and double-coated film tapes. Assemble projects to various substrates, including hard-to-stick-to surfaces, UV-cured ink sets, low VOC painted walls, and more.
Indoors or out, MacTac has your floor applications covered. The highly durable 13.5mm outdoor street track sidewalk and floor graphic media is slip resistant and requires no laminate. It is top coated with a proprietary non-skid grit that delivers clean lines and sharp images for high volume foot traffic on both dry and wet surfaces. Apply on unsealed concrete and asphalt surfaces only. So just print and stick, and you're ready to move on to the next application.
Next, we are applying graphics to short, commercial-type carpeting. We are using Imagine JT5828 HTO, which has an aggressive adhesive that sticks securely to carpet but removes cleanly when the graphic is removed, leaving no adhesive residue behind. HTO is laminated with Permacolor PF6454 textured laminate for slip resistance.
Durable, reliable, and eye-catching, floor graphics come in every size, shape, and color. To transform flat, smooth floors like tile, M.Dot Floor is ideal for short-term indoor use, and no laminate needed. The perfect go-to print media for social distancing, directional signage, promotion advertising, and customer greeting messaging. No matter who's installing, graphic printer, sales associate, or volunteer. No experience needed, just print and apply.
Get peace of mind with PermaGuard Shield Antimicrobial over laminates. Designed to help protect high-touch areas and graphic images, applications include restaurant tabletops, ATMs, touch screens, door handles, countertops, and school desks. The possibilities are endless. Russ and I just showed you a few ways you can create new branding opportunities for any business.
For the best results, use the right print media for your specific application. M-Dot for walls, window, and interior tile or ceramic flooring. Wall Noodle for repositionable and removable wall posters, decals, and stickers. Permahold mounting tapes for sign and graphic assembly applications. JT5828 HTO for indoor carpeting, and add an overlaminate like our PF6454 for slip resistance. Street Trex for outdoor short-term sidewalk, concrete, and asphalt floor graphics. Permagard Shield antimicrobial overlaminates to protect high-touch areas and graphic images.
MacTac has a skilled sales team ready to help you with your next project.
If you need product performance guides or a technical assistance sheet that includes specific instructions on how to correctly prep, install, and ship graphics, please visit our website at mactac.com/graphics. You will also find a library of recorded webinars and other videos to help you select and apply graphic materials.
Thanks for watching, and remember, stay sticky, my friends.